In this video, we're going to replace a missing values category with NA so that R will ignore it in the analysis. In many surveys, such as the European Social Survey, missing values are coded in separate categories like 77, 99 or 999. While we sometimes want to know if a person refused to give their age or income or if they couldn't remember, in most cases in the social sciences we don't care about these technicalities and just consider them missing. To make sure that R treats them as missing, we need to recode the values, replace them with NA. This tells R that in this case 99 isn't an answer, it's a missing value. Recoding can be done using square brackets and the equal sign. So we have the name of the dataset, a $sign to tell R that we want a specific variable, and the name of the variable. Here I'm recoding into the same variable, so if I mess up, I'll have to load the data again. In the square bracket, we have the dataset and the name of the variable again, then two equal signs and the category that means missing, in this case 999. With equal and NA, we assign NA to these observations. Sometimes there are multiple reasons and we can recode them all at once, using percentage in percentage. So instead of the two equal signs, we have the percentage in percentage and then all the numbers we want to replace. Here 77, 88 and 99. This way R will replace each of these numbers with NA. We can check everything with a simple table. These missing value categories shouldn't appear.